we're communicating directly from Station 2 inside Pinelawn.
They're getting sent through the Pinelawn. Is there an altercation going on?
Yeah, they were.
Hey, everyone break it up right now! Hey, break it up! Alright, everyone break it up!
No one's
Alright.
no more. It's just an old man.
Alright.
Because I don't want
Hey,
to.
Alright,
stop. I need you back up.
Alright, hold on.
What's going on?
What's
going on? Stop. What's going on?
This is my nephew.
Okay, what's going on? Sir, I need you to back up. What's going on?
What's going on?
Sir, I need you to back up.
I understand.
Listen.
Can I talk to him?
Listen.
Stop. I need you to go over there. I need to talk to him.
I'm the only one.
What's going on?
Facts, please.
You are interfering with us in our own conversation.
Listen,
What's going on?
Are you are you
Let
not
me talk to you guys. Hold on.
You
Stop.
too.
Back up, please.
I need you to go over
But
there.
no, you're not gonna understand the situation. unless
This
you
is
talk
my
to me.
nephew.
Okay.
So talk to me.
All right. I'm
So
talking to you
relax.
right now.
No, talk to me.
All right. What's going on?
Nothing that you need
The
to
man had a situation.
Who had?
Bill, you okay?
I am okay.
All right.
All right. Now are you okay?
I'm fine,
No,
man.
you're not okay. You
No,
passed
don't
out
stop.
2
Don't
times.
Don't stop. John, no more.
But I'm okay for
All right.
myself.
Stop.
Not fighting anymore.
Hey, listen.
All right, stop. Hold on, nobody. Stop. Hold on, nobody. Stop. Stop. What the fuck? Stop.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Do not move.
Give me your other hand. Stop.
You're not swinging at the cops. Simple as that,
You guys are all making trouble. You know what's
someone grab his shoulder?
You know what's going on. He knows
I'm good.
what's going on. He knows what's going on.
Stop moving.
Don't break my
Stop.
All right, he's helping. He's helping. All right, where are we going?
We're all good now. Everyone just calm down. All right.
Valentino calling you.
Yep.
We have everyone separated, but still pretty
Hey, Alejandro, I want him to get cuffed and we can get him on his side so we can jack off him, okay? Hold on.
You're good.
I want him off. So if we can get cuffed up, then he can roll over.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here you go.
Okay. Bring him on.
Just wait, you guys. Just wait. Get him on his side. Yep.
Get on your side.
All right, sit up. Sir, you up? You awake? He's unconscious. Hey.
Hey, can we get the fire department?
It's normal for him to be unconscious? That's normal?
You want us to help with this? Or
I want to answer my question.
move away.
Hey, step off or you're getting arrested for resisting.
I just want to answer
Sir, wake
my
up.
question.
Lay him down, lay him down, lay him down.
I got a pulse.
Okay. Just get him in the, put him in the recovery position, let fire look at him.
Alright, put him on his left side. On his left side.
He's just not, he's got a good course, he's not going through his body anymore. He stays in the back.
You good,
Who's
Jack?
in a plan on the guy you originally called for? Yeah, fire was asking. There's
Brad, let's get him on around him right away.